I'm glad I bought it. I think there's no loss. It is better that you can do it in an amiibo with many evil spirits.
People's face collapsed. The intense character and the non-character are separated, but it is certain that L Middle.Mac is not so.
Regarding Amiibo of Little Mac, since the face is also similar to the game, there is not much sense of incompatibility if it says so. I feel that the feeling eyebrows are already similar to those who are chewed. But I felt quite a lot of facial shaping compared to Mars. I think that the feet are firmly fixed on the pedestal which contains data, and it is enough for decorating and enjoying.